So now we will be writing question number 5, and this will be our 5.5. Okay, write down the question. Which body of the government, which body of the government is known as the is known ये वाला known as the executive committee E capital executive committee C capital yes this is question 5.5 last lecture we had written answer 4 yes I'm repeating which body of the government is known as the executive committee put a question mark ready with the question all of you okay now answer it is very yes it is a very easy very short यहाँ से start करो that which executes the law is called executive सिर्फ इतना ही लिखना है that which executes the law is called executive got it समझ में आ रहा है okay write this okay now comes question number 6 question 5.6 what is the what is the function of judiciary function of judiciary J capital what is the function of judiciary put a question mark ready with the question all of you okay what is the function of judiciary here is your answer starts from here यहाँ से the arm which works towards the implementation of justice is called judiciary and it takes action against offenders up to offenders here यहाँ दिख रहा है ना this is your answer 5.6 did you get it all of you did you get it okay start now comes your question number 7 what is meant by meant ऐसे लिखोगे MEANT what is meant by federal government F capital and G also capital yes I always repeat it 2 times but I don't worry what is meant by federal government meant meaning meant मतलब meaning okay what is the meaning meant का meaning है meaning मतलब the question is what is the meaning of federal government समझ में आ रहा है ना all of you now here is your answer यहाँ से देखो नीचे India is a federal state this means that the government functions at 2 levels central level and state level up to state level. This is your 5.7. Starting, ending, can you see both the points? Starting from India is a federal state up to state level. Got it, all of you? Okay, start writing. Now comes number 8. Write down the question. Okay, write down question 8. What is the government? What is the government at the national level called? At the national level called. I repeat, what is the government at the national level called? मतलब कंट्री के लेवल पे जो गवर्नमेंट काम करता है, what is the name of that government? Do you know the answer? बोलो. Very good, correct. यही तो answer है. See this, I'm marking over here. The government at the national level is called central or union government. यहाँ तक. This is your 5.8. जो पूरे कंट्री के लेवल पे काम करता है, नेशनल लेवल पे, it is either known as central government or it is known as union government. Got it, all of you? Did you get it? यस, नेशनल लेवल पर गवर्नमेंट है, उसका नाम क्या है, हमें सिर्फ नाम लिखना है, यूनियन और सेंट्रल. ओके, वन सेंटेंस. ओके, नाउ नंबर 9. 9 तो इससे भी छोटा है. फर्स्ट राइट द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द गवर्नमेंट? व्हाट इज द government at the state level called? At the state level called. I repeat, what is the government at the state level called? Put a question mark. Now you tell me, state level वाले government को क्या बोलेंगे? State government. Simple. Here is the answer. The government at the state level is called state government. खत्म. ये मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर में नहीं पूछूंगी, मैं तो ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ट्रू और फॉल्स में पूछूंगी. ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन आंसर में नहीं आएंगे, याद रखना. ओके, डिड यू गेट द आंसर? राइट इट. नाउ कम्स द लास्ट शॉर्ट आंसर. ये शॉर्ट आंसर लास्ट है, अभी ब्रीफ डिटेल बाकी है. ओके, राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. हाउ मेनी हाउसेस, how many houses are there in the legislative body? In the legislative, L capital, check the spelling I have written. In the legislative body. Question mark. What are they called? What are they called? Again put a question mark. I am repeating. How many houses are there in the legislative body? What are they called? Got the question? Okay, you tell me how many houses are there? Yes, there are two houses, legislative assembly and legislative council. All the states do not have two houses. Some have one house, some have two houses. Okay, सभी states में दो नहीं होते, but overall as per constitution there can be two houses. Clear with the question? Okay, start from here. The legislative body of an Indian state may have one or two houses. The lower house is known as the legislative assembly in the upper house is known as Legislative Council. This is your answer 5.10. Any doubts? Okay, now after answer 10, leave 2 or 3 lines and give the title Give Brief Answers. ये होगा हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, मेन क्वेश्चन 6. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, गिव ब्रीफ आंसर्स. आप ऐसे ABCD नहीं लिखोगे, यू विल राइट फुल. Give brief answers. Then you will write question number 6.1. Give brief answers. Put a dash. And question number 1. There are 3 brief answers. Okay, brief answers में हम 3 करने वाले हैं. Ready with the instructions? Okay, write the question. Which are the organs which are the organs of the government? Of the government? Question mark. Why are they necessary? Why are they necessary? Again put a question mark. I repeat. Which are the organs of the government? Question mark. Why are they necessary? Question mark. Okay. Now you tell me, what are the organs of the government? Yes, very good. It's legislature, executive and judiciary. And why are they necessary? What does the legislature do? Makes laws. And executive? Implements or executes or follows the laws. And judiciary? Yes, it punishes the people those who break the law. तो यही हमारा आंसर. आपको organs के नाम लिखने हैं और उनका function लिखना है. Okay, here is the answer. We'll start from here. Here, the 3 arms of the government are to legislate, to execute, and to impart justice. The arm that frames laws is known as legislature. Bracket mat likhna. And that which executes the law is called executive. The arm which works towards the implementation of justice is called the judiciary, and it takes action against offenders, up to offenders. This is your 6.1. बीच में ये जो ब्रैकेट है ना, ये कट कर देना. Don't write the bracket. Clear with the answer? Yes? Okay, start writing. Question 2, 6.2. Okay? What would happen? What would happen if there was no judiciary? What would happen if there was no judiciary? Put a question mark. What is the function of judiciary? Yes, punish the people who break the laws. Now what if there was no judiciary at all? किसी को पनिशमेंट ही नहीं मिलता. जिसको जो करना है करो. किसी का खून करना है करो. चोरी करनी है करो. Yes, no one will be following at all. है ना? So अब जस्ट इमेजिन करो कि होते ही नहीं है तो कितना डिसऑर्डर हो जाता, कितना केओस होता. पीपल वुड डू वट एवर दे वांट टू डू. जो पावरफुल होंगे वो दादागिरी करेंगे. द वीक पीपल, द पुअर पीपल, दे विल सफर. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, so the same thing we have to write the answer. Yes, बोलो बेटा. Okay. Now this answer is not directly given to in the textbook, so I'm dictating it. Mark नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm dictating. You write down. Ready? Ready? Okay. If there was, if there was no judiciary, no judiciary, comma, then THEN, then the rights of the people, the rights of the people might not have been, might, देखो मैं यहाँ स्पेलिंग्स लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है, might not have been protected, protected. If there was no judiciary, comma, then the rights of the people might not have been protected. Full stop. They might have faced, they might have faced, faced partiality. I think you all know what is partiality. जो पावरफुल है, जो रिच है, उनको बेनिफिट्स मिलेगा, ठीक है. पार्शियलिटी, कॉमा, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑल्सो मीन्स अ टाइप ऑफ पार्शियलिटी. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब डिफरेंसेस. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब अगर मैं गवर्नमेंट में हूँ, मैं लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में, काउंसिल में हूँ, तो मैं अपने लोगों को बचा लूंगी, दूसरे लोग जो है वो सफर करेंगे. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ओके. They might have faced partiality, comma, discrimination, comma, violence. What is violence? Yes, मारामारी करना. Violence, etc., 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 in every field, in every field. Full stop. There would be, field के बाद full stop. Then again next sentence. There would be chaos and disorder. Chaos and disorder. Actually, chaos and disorder means the same. सब ऐसे ही जैसे तैसे चलता, आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे कुछ भी. जहां पर ऑर्डर नहीं है उसको बोलते हैं डिसऑर्डर. ओके. एंड डिसऑर्डर एंड chaos means the same. जिसको जो मर्जी पड़े वो करेगा. There would be chaos and disorder everywhere. There would be chaos and disorder everywhere. Full stop. Complete. I'm repeating the whole answer again. If there was no judiciary, comma, then the rights of the people might not have been protected. Full stop. They might have faced partiality, discrimination, violence, etc. in every field. Full stop. There would be chaos and disorder everywhere. Full stop. Complete. Any doubts? Okay. Now write down number 3. We will only write the question number 3 answer in the next lecture. Okay? Ready for the question 6.3? Okay, write down. Why is it not possible? Check the spellings. Why is it not possible to administer? Administer. Administer means to manage. Why is it not possible to administer the whole of India, the whole of India from one place? From one place? Question mark. I repeat, why is it not possible to administer the whole of India from one place? सिर्फ दिल्ली से पूरा इंडिया क्यों नहीं हो सकता? उसके नीचे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, उसके लिए लोकल गवर्नमेंट क्यों है? I'll just give you a simple example. Only Veena madam can administer whole of the school sitting in the office. वीना मैडम अकेले पूरे स्कूल को संभाल सकते हैं नीचे बैठे बैठे? नो, उनके नीचे कोऑर्डिनेटर्स भी चाहिए, क्लास टीचर्स भी चाहिए, मॉनिटर्स भी चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस मेक्स द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्मूथ एंड इजी. तो सेम इज द केस इन इंडिया. That why is it not possible from one place? So same is the answer, but this answer we will do tomorrow.